All right, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Teo, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to install your brand new Canon lens onto your Canon camera. We just picked up this beautiful RF 14-35 f4L lens for our Canon R6 Mark II. Before I decided to put it on, I thought, hey, why not just make a video for you guys just in case you need to learn how to put on your lenses. It's a super simple process, so let's get started off by taking out the lens out of the box. So here we have our lens. This is the first L-series lens that I have purchased for this camera, so it is very exciting stuff. As you can see, it is the Canon 14-35 milliliter lens f4. Alrighty guys, this is a very simple process. There is one main thing that you do have to pay attention to, and that is the red marker here on the lens itself. And that's also the red marker here at the top of the camera as well. Alrighty guys, it is very simple. All you're gonna do is go ahead and take off the lens cap off the back of the lens, and you're going to align the red dot on your lens to the red dot on the camera. Just to kind of give you guys a side profile here, red dot on the lens, red dot on the camera. You're going to align those two there. It should sit completely flush. Once those two dots are aligned, all you're gonna do is spin it until it clicks in place. We're gonna spin the lens until it clicks. And then in the event that you guys need to remove your lens, say to swap lenses or just to take this one off to store it, there is a lock button on the side of the camera here. Don't get it confused with the button on the bottom. This is a depth of field button. This is your unlock button for your lens. So simply to unlock your lens and to remove it, press this button down, turn it in the opposite direction of the way that you did to put it on. And then once that top red mark is on the top, then you can take off the lens. A tip for this is just to make sure both red dots align on both the camera body and the lens itself before twisting. You would hate to twist it while it's not aligned and you can damage something. And just like that, you have now attached your lens to your Canon camera. I'm super excited to shoot with this new lens this weekend. I have a video shoot that I'm doing for a detailing company, so hopefully it all goes well. Alrighty guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment down below of any next tutorial that you guys need next. If you have any questions about this process, also drop it down in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna bring you guys a ton more tutorial videos in the future. If you have any specific requests when it comes to cameras, please let me know down below, and we'll get those taken care of. Alrighty, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.